tell me now. Okay, Puppet Bird, I've been able to summon my mom's shield. But I want you to tell me, you know more about her. Yes, me and her used to have fun. It was fun back in the day. Back in the day? Before the war. Before the war? What's the war? Well, the war was between evil. It was between a bad man. A very bad man. Who? Purple guy? And Purple Pig? King Pig? No. A man more worse than him. Who? It was a beast called Nightmare Bird. Whoa. Your mother sacrificed herself to kill him. Also, you were born too. Whoa. Ah! Fun time, Chuck? Oh man, that hurt. I fell down. Oh great. What piece dropped off me now? How do I find it? There was an arm, a leg broke, a piece popped out of me. Hello. Hello, Chango. Thanks. And hello, Puppet Bird. Looking pretty, I see. Yeah, I'm pretty, right? Yes. Right. Tell me I'm pretty. You're pretty. Thank you. What happened? Oh, some purple guy like blasted me with a weird thing. I think it was your brother. He blasted me like a weird machine. Oh, whatever. Ah! Should I be worried about that? Maybe.